Good morning! I feel happy today, like something important is waiting for me. I want to be ready early. I don't want to miss anything today. The day feels bright. I like walking like this. Hello there! You look very happy today. I hope you're feeling good. This place helps animals feel better. That's really special. It feels calm here. I like this place.
Welcome. Take your time and look around. Animals like calm voices and gentle movements.
He's not scared at all. He looks brave.
Good job. Stay calm. Everything is okay. Look at him. He feels much better now.
She's very quiet. She trusts you.
Her heart sounds strong. She's doing well.
Here. It's okay. I'm right here. You're safe. He's so small. We have to be extra careful.
Always move slowly. Animals feel our hands before anything else.
Clean hands keep everyone safe. Animals too. Oh. Wow, your colors are beautiful.
Just a quick look. You're doing great.
I didn't know helping animals was like this. It's really amazing. They all look happy together. That feels good.
Animals don't use words. We listen with our eyes, our hands, and our heart. Kindness is the most important tool.
I understand now. Being gentle really matters.
Yes. Almost done. You're doing very well.
Thank you. You really care about animals.
You're kind. That's the most important thing. Never lose that.
I can help them. I know I can. I'll come back again. I will always be gentle. I will always care.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك في قناة ميني ستار.